Case Systems specializes in building plastic laminate furniture for the educational, healthcare, laboratory environments.
BOSTONtec specializes in ergonomic adjustable height workstations for more industrial settings. Over the last 25 years, we've produced over 2.5 million cabinets, over 27,000 projects.
You may not recognize the BOSTONtec or Case Systems brands, but you've probably interacted with what we do on a day-to-day basis.
Chances are, if you've been in a school or a hospital over the last 30 years, you've interacted with a Case System product.
Or if you've ever ordered anything online, that package was most likely put together on one of our BOSTONtec workstations.
We build to order every project, and every project is special, and every project is custom.
We work to collaboratively find solutions with our customers to what their application needs are.
We have the experience with our manufacturing process, building high volume. We have the custom process, coming up with neat, innovative solutions. We've got the engineering. We've got the project management resource. We're not just about building a box. It really is about building a solution for our customer.
Case Systems design flexibility is one that is a mass producer of repeatable customs that allows us to take lead times down, be the most cost competitive, and allow the most flexible design for our contract manufacturing partners. We can take your design and engineer it so that it can be repeated with consistency and quality throughout its manufacturing process.
We have over 250 years of experience on the floor. A lot of long-term employees, a lot of them with 30 years plus experience.
The greatest assets of Case Systems and BOSTONtec are our people. They bring a desire to do whatever it's going to take to support our customers' needs.
We have a mix of people who understand how to use fresher technology and a mix of people who know how to do it right. It's a big deal to have that within a manufacturing organization.
We're looking for ways to create better solutions for our end user customers, more creative solutions, integrating different product types. A good example of that would be our athletic lockers that we're building now. And it offers both the warmth and aesthetics that you get from the laminate and then the durability from the metal, and we've been able to integrate those components together.
That was a project that combined both Case Systems and BOSTONtec capabilities. Our team came together with the end user, and that was an example of what we can do when we are challenged and we put our best foot forward.
We can solve the challenge of scale for other people. We can solve the challenge of lack of experience for other people. We can help you with component parts that just take a lot of time to make. We have the capability and we have the capacity to help other people do more.
We strive to provide casework that allows a student to learn better, or casework that allows a patient to heal better. The national brands that we support with our product become more efficient, while also providing a safer work environment for their employees. That is our vision each and every day. So we want our customers' experience and our end users' experience to be one that positively impacts their life.
We love that challenge. We love to come up with those ideas. So give us that opportunity and we'll look forward to coming up with a good solution that fits your needs. And that's what we're about here.